Who should be trustee? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'd like to speak about who you should pick as your trustee of your trust. Before I get to that, if you would like to make an appointment to speak with me by phone or in person, please go to callfrankbruno.com. You'll find the schedule and you could pick a time to speak with me. Who should you pick as your trustee? Well, baked into the name is the word trust. This should be someone that you can trust. The person should be trustworthy. Many people have their spouse or loved one or family members, right? Adult children. Could use your brother-in-law. But that person needs to have certain qualities. Above all else, they need to be trustworthy. It should be someone that knows a little bit about finances. Either they manage their own money or they have a financial advisor, right? You don't want to pick a person that has no financial sense. You don't want to pick a person that's broke or doesn't know how to spend their own money or is not a good steward of money, right? Because that's a major aspect of being a trustee. You can use an attorney or an accountant or a trust company. The professional trustees have a structure and a framework, but in some senses they could be tight-fisted or limited. They might not be as responsive to distributions. So you can factor that in. If you had a family member that had many of the qualities that I mentioned, you could pick that person. You could also pick two people. You can have co-trustees. There are pros and cons for having two trustees because there has to be agreement. And with one trustee, at least you have a clear line of demarcation as to who's in charge and how decisions could be made. If you would like to speak to me about your situation, please reach out to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you very much.